What is this body anxiety? Most people that I speak with are not happy with how they look. What is keto diet?
Body anxiety मेरे साथ खुद हुई है, so I have a very clear idea about that. Only thing that you can take control of is your body. You can look just the way you want to if you put the right efforts.
ये भी बंद तो फिर मतलब जीना किस लिए?
बिल्कुल सही
मजा ही नहीं है जिंदगी में.
So how can you think that everybody around you should be eating right only? They cannot eat junk. They cannot do this. Why not? No food is bad.
It's very scary कि किस चीज में एंटीबायोटिक्स हैं, किस चीज में वो जो घी में खुशबू है वो किसी ने खुशबू डाल दी है उसमें.
I can understand what you're saying.
It's very scary. You promote ketogenic diet. Is that
I promote everything.
How will butter help you lose weight?
Butter helps you lose weight,
fat
but
going to increase your weight?
weight loss and fat loss, they're two different things. मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है bread आनी नहीं चाहिए. It's like slow poison for our body. We don't even realize veganism is what? It's empathy towards the animals.
Why do people become fat? Apart from genetic
Okay.
issues, it's largely diet issue.
Diet, completely.
On one side we are saying थोड़ा सा घी या ऑयल कॉफी में अच्छा है. On the other side छोले भटूरे में भी तो मतलब ऑयल ही है तो
Wow,
फैट
very
ही ना.
good question.
Today I've got somebody with me who focuses on weight loss, focuses on nutrition, who's a coach, who's a nutritionist. And one of the things she focuses a lot on is a term called body anxiety. So Neha, thank you so much for coming. I'm very excited to talk about body anxiety. What is this body anxiety? Though when you explain it to me, it does make sense. I think most people that I speak with are not happy with how they look. When we were young, how you looked was mostly about your face.
Correct.
But now it's about, I'm 100 grams more and I'm 100 grams less and so on and so forth. So, but you are the expert here. So over to you. How do you make people get over their body anxiety?
First of all, I started my journey in 2019 as a professional, but the
Okay.
story is before that. It
Okay.
started when I was in 12th grade, and I wanted to become an air hostess.
Okay.
So one of my cousin, he told me, you don't look like, air hostess. Nobody will ever take you.
Okay.
And I asked him why. Because I was a broad girl, and that time I was 65, 67 kgs, and I was working on myself because we are Punjabis, right?
Okay.
So I come from a family where everybody is 100 kgs above, and that's normal to us.
Okay.
But when I used to see people around me, they were struggling to tie the shoelace. They would wait कि अभी मेड आएगी वो मुझे टाई करके देगी या बच्चे टाई करके देंगे, but they cannot do it, right? So I come from that background. And then when he told me, it just hit me so hard. I went for the classes. I did a course for 1 year. I couldn't do anything. That stayed with me till date. I can still go back in time and feel मुझे क्या बोला गया था, So when that happened, I learned about myself that एक खाली देखो, you cannot change your skin color. You cannot change anything about you, your features and everything. But the only thing that you can take control of is your body.
Okay.
You can look just the way you want to if you put the right efforts.
Okay.
Body anxiety मेरे साथ खुद हुई है, so I have a very clear idea about that. Then I started working out. I was eating clean. There were days also back then there was no concept of dietitians that much. Getting access to them was very tough.
Sure.
And I was just 16, 17 years old, and I was thinking what to do now, where to go, how to do it. I used to eat 4 apples in a day. That's all. And keep drinking water. And then that happened for 4-5 days. One day only poha, 2 categories of poha. Then the next day only bananas. I used to do that so frequently. Then I realized that used to give me so much of uneasiness. Back then, the word anxiety was not there. Never existed. Now,
And you were thinking you were overweight.
yeah, I
That's
was
why you were doing
certainly
this.
overweight back then.
But 65 is not a lot, no?
See, you have to look into the height also, right?
Okay,
I was
fair.
157 centimeters. And
Okay.
if I would have been around 52, 54 kgs, I would look better.
That was your ideal weight.
Yeah.
Okay. So you were about 10, 15 kgs
kgs
smaller. Okay.
up. I had to shed all that weight. I did. But that anxiety...
And girls ko I think pressure is even more.
Yeah, always.
Right? Okay.
Always. Now I see males also talking about the same
Of course,
thing.
of course.
Earlier, it was not there.
Yeah.
The way they used to look, they were fat or whatever, they would make sure that the girl is feeling, pathetic about herself, and they are the kings,
Yeah.
back then.
Yeah.
But now we have that kind of You
No,
know,
even today, what I hear from some of the younger people or even my friends is that a guy is known for how much he earns,
yeah.
and a girl is known for how good she looks.
But now these days, I think girls are earning more and they look so amazing any which way. So girls are making crazy
True,
money.
true, true,
So
true. But
okay.
what I hear from people who are in the marriage
Uh-huh.
circuit, जिनको
Yeah.
अभी शादी करानी है, is that if the guy is not good looking but he earns a lot, he will get a good
That is
girl.
the truth.
But the girl can earn as much. If she's not good looking, then she will not get married.
That is correct. That is correct.
Yeah?
We have that idea. I see a lot of girls, you know why this happens? Because girls को ऐसा लगता है कि they are competing with other girls all the time. I don't dress for a guy. I dress for other girl.
Okay.
That is the scene out there.
Okay.
This is what I see. If I'm going somewhere, I would want to see what she's wearing. I would like to compliment her. That is the joy. If I get a compliment from a woman, I will have fun. A man doesn't matter to me at all.
Ah,
At
interesting.
all. For a woman, it's
Interesting. That's
always
not a
they
bad
want,
thing.
yeah, they want validation from another woman only. And that is the reason the competition also goes so high, how the other person is looking, what she's wearing, the pressure, no, it's very constant. And please see, now we are living in a world of Instagram, right? I always say, if you want to seek knowledge, go on YouTube. If you want to seek fashion, go on Instagram, right? So
Yeah.
when we go on Instagram, everybody is picture perfect. How?
Right, right.
How is that even possible? It is possible because of filters out there.
Yeah.
It is possible because whatever you're wearing in a dressing room, also you're going to click a picture and put it out there, and people are thinking every time you're wearing something new. I've seen people
Oh,
like that also.
that's an interesting idea. I'll try
Yeah.
that.
I
Okay.
know I never tried that, but I've heard this from a lot of people. I see a lot of young girls because I have a teenager at home. So whenever she's going out trying and she will keep on clicking pictures, she comes out with my phone. It's like, what is wrong with you? Why so many pictures? But they are so conscious, no, that
Right.
before they step out of the room to show me, they want to be like, okay, am I looking fat in this? Am I looking too thin? How am I looking? Is the color suiting me? Now, this is, if we go back to the same topic, this is body anxiety, where people cannot accept themselves. We have just stopped accepting ourselves completely. See, there was a client in 2020, I think. I will not name anybody, but she called me and she told me on the first call, a 30 minutes call, that in that 30 minute, last 7 minutes, she told me she pluck her hair every day.
Okay.
She'll just
Because?
put because she was feeling very anxious, she was not feeling well.
Oh.
So, and she doesn't feel like, she was like, koi parties hoti hain, kuch hota hai, I don't go out because of the social anxiety that she has, little bit,
Okay.
which all of us have it. It's okay, it's very normal thing, you know. She used to keep on plucking her hair. And she made 4-5 patches by doing that.
Oh my
And I
God.
asked her why. Because I'm fat, there's no point right then. She was 140 kgs. The only client I used to, she was in Nagpur, I used to send her flowers every week
Wow.
just to make her feel better. That she's heard, she's seen, she's
Wow.
fine. I did it for about a year and she lost all that weight. She got married. Now I think she has a baby also.
Okay.
You know, just look at the journey. And every time she would call me and I think I can't do this. Okay, we will not do it. We will not do it. And she would keep the phone down. I would call her after 30-35 minutes and speak to her nicely and take her back on track. See, coaching is not easy. Everybody is suffering from something or the other. They don't like the nose, their eyes, how they look, not just fat, right? There are other things also that they don't like about themselves.
Right, right.
What I say is, if we all have to look a certain way, how can we differentiate?
Right.
You know?
Right.
So that body anxiety is a real thing.
Yeah.
And what I want to tell people through this medium is you have to appreciate yourself. Stand in the mirror every day and tell yourself, I look the best. Because nobody can be like you. Yes, but when it comes to your body, you have to take care of a lot of things. And when people say, no, if I've seen a lot of coaches also talk, you know, they also body shame their clients.
Oh.
Yeah. So a lot of clients came to me and they told me, कि मैं किसी के साथ थी, उन्होंने बोला आप तो कर ही नहीं सकते, बार बार आप फेल हो जाते हो। अगर आप कोच हो और आपको समझ है न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में, आपने पढ़ाई की है, राइट? आपको ही पता होगा। अगर आप में कोई और इंजीनियर है, क्या आपको वो सब आता होगा? नो, राइट? So how can you think that everybody around you should be eating right only? They cannot eat junk, they cannot do this. Why not? No food is bad. You
Right.
should know how to eat it. That's it. You have
Right.
to give yourself perks. Even I was very stubborn when I started this journey. You know, I was always like, I know the best. No, I cannot cheat because I'm helping a lot of people out there. How can I eat this? How can I do this? But I've reached to a point where I reward myself.
Right. Right.
I reward whatever I like khichdi. That's
Yeah.
my reward. Because
Yeah.
I don't eat rice a lot. I'm more into protein and, because I work out and all that stuff, I eat a lot of protein. But then dal rice, that's very comforting, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes the smell of the food reminds you about your childhood.
Right.
How
Right.
your mom used to cook and stuff like that. So
Right.
we go back to carbs like that. Because in this country, when people say Indian thali is the best thali, we have fermented achar, like kimchi, we have this. Are you sure whatever you're talking about, one thing at a time? How we say one day at a time. Similarly, you cannot have all the food items in front of you and you think dal, rice, chapati, and salad and everything. You cannot just keep doing that.
You can't. Yeah.
I always make one curry at home. Tell my daughter, she'll be like, she throws the tantrums, she'll be like, I don't want to have this. I said, this is the food. You will have to eat it or skip your meal. That's fine. But you will have to eat this. So when people, parents as parents also, what they do is, अच्छा आपको ये नहीं खाना, मैं ये बना देती हूँ। क्यों? आप ही तो सिखा रहे हो, ये जो आप पैम्पर कर रहे हो, you think this is right parenting. Now I see मेरे सबसे youngest client कितने साल का होगा?
16.
9.
Oh my God.
You know,
Sad.
9-year-old boy. He used to play cricket. And he was 65 kgs with the height of 4'9".
Oh my God.
Just imagine. And he was so passionate. When he came to me, the mother was like, वो तो आपसे बात नहीं करेगा. I would like to talk to you. I said, no, I would like to talk to my client. I don't mind वो कितना छोटा है, कितना बड़ा है. I don't mind all that. मेरे से सबसे छोटा वो तो he stays in my heart rent free even today.
Right.
Because you can't forget some people, and he used to
So
call me,
sweet.
can I call you Neha? Just Neha. I was like, why not? The day I will become a very famous cricketer, I am going to tell everybody she was my first coach.
So sweet.
Like that, he used to tell me. He
Yeah.
lost a lot of weight. He came to 50 kgs.
Okay.
And he was perfect. And he was on ketogenic diet. Can you believe that?
Oh.
See, when I talk about ketogenic diet, it's
So you promote ketogenic diet. Is that fair
I
to say? No.
promote everything. See,
Okay.
people don't fail diets. Diet fail people.
What does that mean?
It means not every diet is for everybody.
Okay.
Okay? Ketogenic can be good for me, but not for you. If you're a pure vegetarian, you can't
Right.
keep eating,
Right.
paneer all day long or cheese,
Right,
butter and
right.
cream. That's not even
So this keto diet has become a very common term in the last few years.
few years. Yes.
So what is keto diet?
So keto diet is about 75% of good fats, 20% of protein, and 5% of net carbs. Okay? When we do that, our body switch into a process called ketosis in 3 to 5 days, and then your liver is going to secrete ketones instead of glucose. Now, once the ketones are active inside the body, they are going to give you 9 kilocalories of energy per gram. They will dilute your own fats. See, we have the jiggly fat that we have near the belly, that's called subcutaneous. The other fat is visceral fat, which is near the organ, a cushion, right?
Oh, okay.
So now it focuses on both. Wherever
So the fat, which is like
the jiggly one,
yeah,
that you can hold,
yeah.
it's all
So
subcutaneous.
that is a different fat.
Yes.
And the fat inside our organs.
Yes,
is a different kind of
the
fat.
outside layer of the organ is visceral fat.
Oh,
Now, visceral fat is, if it is too much, turns into fatty liver, right? And whatever we see, usually people have pot belly. If it is very tight, you can tell that they have visceral fat more. That is pushing the subcutaneous ahead, and then it becomes tighter. So that's visceral fat. The
Ah.
person who will have a latka hua thoda sa, a stomach area, and that it's not a typical pot belly, that is subcutaneous fat. That's
Okay.
easier to go.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, but the visceral fat, that takes time because it's near the organs. It will take more time to dilute, but once it is gone, it will not come back easily. And it is going to, for example, this is the layer of the subcutaneous, and now this is visceral fat. It is going inside, right? It's going inside.
Right,
The other
right.
one also, the contraction will happen.
Okay.
Ultimately, you are going to lose onto fat. Now, when we talk
Okay.
about weight loss and fat loss, they're two different things. Weight loss is dropping your water weight, but our body is 70% of water. Where is it going to go?
That's a good point.
Right? So now if you do fat loss, then you're working on the outer layer and the inner layer, and you're creating that contraction.
Got it.
Now
got it.
that's where your muscles, you're going to show your muscle. If you have lean muscle mass also, you can show, the definition will come on your body. So whenever I'm talking to anybody, it's like people are like, जल्दी जल्दी weight loss करना है, and मैं उनको भी wrong नहीं बोलती हूँ. You just imagine if somebody has a wedding, if they want to shed weight in 2 months, what's wrong in that?
But
Why
can
can't
you?
somebody? People can lose weight,
Yeah.
but yeah, 5 to 6 kg maximum a month, because I don't believe in that typical ketogenic diet where people are giving 80 grams of butter. Neeraj, can you believe that? 80 grams of butter in a coffee.
Okay.
They will ask you to drink this.
But how will butter help you lose weight?
Butter helps you
Isn't
lose weight.
fat going to increase your weight?
No, the fat never increases your weight.
Okay.
Glycogen does. When you ask me what is glycogen, that is the the carbs turning into sugar, the breakdown. That is
Right.
called glycogen, that sits inside your body with the fat cell. For example, this is a cookie. That's your fat cell, right? When you have the glycogen, it comes on the top of it. So when you're burning this one also, this water will keep holding the fat, thinking we are one.
Okay.
Now that creates bloating inside the body. The moment this fat will realize this is not my brother fat, it will let it go, and that will be thrown out of your body via urine, and then it will start working contraction. Contraction becomes smaller in size, and you look small. Fat burn fat. आपने सुना है ना होगा, लोहा लोहे को काटता है.
हाँ.
फैट ही फैट को कट डाउन करता है. ये बहुत बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन है
Okay.
कि fats are going to make
So
you
80
fat.
grams butter coffee में डाल के आप weight lose कर सकते हो?
नहीं करना चाहिए, ऐसा लोग करते हैं. That's not
नहीं, वो तो
keto.
बहुत ही popular हो गया. It's called bullet coffee or something.
That's only 15 grams of fats or
अच्छा,
20
अच्छा.
grams of fats that we
अच्छा.
give. That also I give only coconut oil.
Okay.
Only coconut oil or ghee maybe. You can give the saturated fats, that's fine. But
Okay.
there has to be a limit to it.
Right.
It has to be calculated, right? If I'm giving you 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, for example, in 1 glass of coffee, 1 cup of coffee, that will give you 267 calories to be precise. If I'm giving you 1000 calories in a day, out of that, if I'm giving you almost 300 calories from coffee, then only 700 calories are left for the meal, right? Now, what people are doing, giving 1 BPC, which is 600 calories, and only 1 meal a day, because they don't know how to do the calculation right. If I can give you proper bhindi ki sabzi, ghiya ki sabzi with the keto roti, and 1 bowl of yogurt with a lot of antioxidant, which is berries, talk about science. No, give 4 meals. Why you want to give everything at one go? BPC is popular for a reason. Now, I'll tell
What's
you.
BPC?
Bulletproof coffee.
Okay.
It is
What's called
popular
BPC?
for
Okay.
a reason, Now, let's talk about caffeine. That's a fat burner. Have you heard about this? We are hitting the gym, we'll have our coffee and go, right?
Yeah.
That's a fat burner. Fat burner coming with fats. Together, they work on your cellulite, that adipose. जो हमारी डिम्पल लाइक स्किन बन जाती है,
Right.
वो क्या होता है? फैट का मॉलिक्यूल है, राइट?
Okay.
ऐसे मल्टीपल मॉलिक्यूल्स इकट्ठे होते हैं, वो एक फैट सेल बनाते हैं, और वो सेल्यूलाइट बहुत डिफिकल्ट है तोड़ना.
Okay.
वो उसको जब तक आप उसके सारे मॉलिक्यूल्स नहीं टूटेंगे, वो उसके मेन तक नहीं कैसे पहुंचेगा ना.
Okay.
जैसे बहुत सारे एटम्स हैं, वो सारे इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं, राइट?
Right.
तो सिमिलरली मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, जैसे एक छोटा मॉलिक्यूल, उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे मल्टीपल, तो वो सारे जब तक हम उसको ब्रेक डाउन नहीं करेंगे, तो वो कैसे टूटेगा?
Right.
तो
Right.
बीपीसी उसमें हेल्प करती है.
Got
It
it.
churns your this hard, I mean, adipose, your cellulite. It
Got it.
works on that.
Got
So
it.
इसका एक scientific reason है, fat and fat burners coming together, and they are going to help you burn 9 kilocalories of energy from your body. Existing fat. They are
Okay.
not giving you fats. They are burning your existing fat and giving
Okay.
you energy.
Okay.
So that's how fats are.
So, why do people become fat? Apart from genetic
Okay.
issues, it's largely diet issue.
Diet completely. Genetic को तो अभी हटा ही देते
हाँ,
हैं.
genetic को हटा दो.
I come from I'm telling you, I see everybody's obese.
Okay.
I chose for myself that I cannot gain weight. मेरे में वही tendency है आज
So
भी.
even if you're coming from a family where everybody has,
Yeah.
the overweight, you can still manage it.
You can
if you
still-
manage your diet right.
ये एक सिर्फ बहाना होता है जो आप अपने आप को मैनिफेस्ट करते हो every day. I have a heavy thigh because of my mother. I have a heavy face because of my father. My arms are like my father. No, you have habits like your father. You have habits like your mother. If they are putting a lot of ghee and butter on the paratha with the carbs they're having, you have learned that from your parents, not the body type. No.
Okay.
So you have picked up the same habits कि सुबह उठ के हम ये खाते हैं, ये करते हैं, so और हम ऐसे बैठते हैं, you know, वो habits हैं. मेरे dad अगर, you know, for example, I've seen some people, you know, daughter in the family and the father, they have the same kind of back. They're just leaning because they sit and watch TV for hours like that. Because I've seen my father doing the same thing. He's never corrected me because he's doing the same, right? You learn habits. कुछ चीजें of course genetically आपके पास आती हैं,
Right.
but it doesn't mean you can keep putting everything out there and ये सब कुछ ही मेरे parents की वजह से हो रहा है. No,
Right. Right.
that's not correct.
So it's largely diet,
It is
which
certainly.
leads to obese people or
Yes.
overweight. Now, what diet is right? What diet is wrong? And when somebody comes, the next question after that is when somebody comes to you for weight loss or to become fit or body anxiety or whatever, what are the steps to take to become fit or thin
Yeah.
or whatever you want to call
So
it?
first thing I would want to know from them is their lifestyle. What time they get up, what they like eating, what they do, where do they go, how many times in a week are they stepping out of the house, how many times they work out, if they work out at all then. If I know the background of a person, if I always tell them, explain me how your day goes. I know exactly which diet is to be given.
Oh,
A ketogenic diet is given to those who have zero movement because your
Okay.
body becomes a fat burning machine in this, right? Then I would always tell them, and if somebody is a non-vegetarian, it's a cakewalk for them.
oh,
Yeah, because eggs, chicken, your fish, prawns, everything I give on in a ketogenic diet,
Okay.
right? And when somebody is a pure vegetarian but they want to lose weight quickly and they are not afraid of having paneer on everyday basis, then I always tell them go for ketogenic, but that I always shift them to a low carb diet later on because I don't want to create that monotony and people feel, oh my god, I feel pukish looking at paneer now, I don't want to do this, so I shift them. That is the second
it.
part. But mostly, if somebody is a non-vegetarian, ketogenic diet works wonderful for them. If somebody has a lot of inflammation in the body, like I have knee pain and all that stuff, I give them anti-inflammatory diet, which is high in omegas, right? So like we give a lot of turmeric is used, a lot of fatty fish is given, the omegas are given, anti-inflammatory properties, and what do you call this? A lot of yogurt is given, berries, antioxidants, probiotics, and the combination is given to a vegetarian. If in case they don't eat fish also, we can compensate all that with seeds.
But
And
you
we
think
can-
poor vegetarians have a tougher
tougher journey.
way to manage their diet?
In case they want to be on ketogenic then. But then I created a lot of recipes. I made pav bhaji also out of keto.
Oh,
Yeah. So you have to only substitute
पाव तो
things.
पूरी पाव is all
Pav is gluten.
हाँ,
But
bread
we
ना?
कीटो का जो फ्लावर होता है ना उसमें होते हैं सारे सीड्स. ठीक है, वो सीड्स का आटा होता है, सीड्स होते हैं, पीनट्स होते हैं, फिर हमारा आमंड्स होते हैं. तो उसके अंदर अगर हम थोड़ा सा एग को ब्रेक करके डाल दें और हम वी कैन मेक ब्रेड आउट ऑफ इट.
Okay.
Right, we
Okay.
can do that too. So you have to learn the market कि लोगों को खाना क्या अच्छा लगता है. So give them the same thing. You can replace anything in this world in a healthier version. Then you don't think about too much of taste. That's all. I have become that person. If you give me the same food every day, I can eat. I eat just because I want to survive and I want to work. That's all. I will not look at taste, nothing doing. I just want to eat and be healthy. That's it. For me, I've reached to a point where I have a very healthy relationship with food. Very healthy.
Very nice.
So for me, it's not. My
So
eggs.
elaborate on that. What is your relationship with food?
So how I was, I would first start from there.
When you were 65
Yeah,
or whatever.
yeah. I would eat chola bhatura, samosa. There was puff and veg puff. We used to get that stuffed with aloo. All of that I used to love doing that because my mom was working.
Yeah.
She used to help my father. They had a showroom and she never had that kind of time back then. She used to make all the food, but we had a ample time and money back then to go and buy anything and eat and do whatever you want to. This is where it starts, right? So I could finish eating Lay's ke packet 3 alone. I was that kind of a girl back then.
Wow.
But now I have such a, for me, when I sit on the table, see, I'm working all day long, but when I'm eating food, I don't want to talk to anybody. That's my time. I always thank myself for that meal that I made for me. If I am eating eggs, I will make it a point, those 2 eggs, no, I'll make it in a different form every day. But those eggs only. Sometimes I'll put chili oil, sometimes I'll have it with avocado, sometimes I'll put a lot of bell peppers and everything. Sometimes I'll put some spinach and just churn it and make a spinach roll. I'll put 5 minutes of an extra effort for myself because now I feel that my food is talking to me. It is telling me that I'm going to go inside your body and give you a lot of energy and I'm going to stay inside and make you feel better. For me, food have healed me a lot.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So whenever I'm eating my food, I make it a point that all the nutrients are there, right? How I eat my food, if I'll show you a plate, you'll be surprised. With small, small things like I'll take my seeds also every day. I'll sprinkle them on my soup also sometimes. I'll put it on my salad or I make a powder of all the seeds like pumpkin, sunflower seeds and your flax seeds, chia. I make a powder and I put it in my dough. When I'm kneading the dough, I just put it there. Why to go for multi-grains and this and that? You have everything at
So
home.
Ajkal, these seeds have also become very popular.
It was popular back then also.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you remember that we used to have this, what do you call that? Musk melon.
Yeah, yeah.
और उसके सीड्स निकलते थे तो हमारी दादी उनको धोकर छत पे रख देती थी. वो क्या था? वो सीड्स ही तो थे. सीड्स पहले से ही है.
मतलब there are shops which are only selling seeds.
तो बिजनेस नो.
Right. So my point is कि seeds का फायदा क्या है?
देखो, सीड्स का फायदा है सबसे पहले. अब जब PCOS की बात आती है, राइट, सबसे ज्यादा ये उसमें हेल्प कर रहा है. सीड साइक्लिंग इज अ थिंग. देयर इज 2 phases like a follicular phase and then we have luteal phase. Follicular phase मतलब FP, right? F आपके flax seeds and P is pumpkin seeds and sesame and sunflower seeds in the luteal phase. It can work on your estrogen like you cannot even imagine. It only works on your hormones.
Okay.
It settles your hormones. These are called super seeds. Why? Because the combination, they are going to give you all the micronutrients that you require. All your minerals and vitamins are there. They are intact. ये superfoods हैं. ये पहले से ही थे. Do you remember panjiri and all of that?
Yeah, yeah, I know panjiri.
उसमें भी seeds को पीस के डाला जाता था.
Okay, I don't
for
know कैसे बनती
recovery.
है. Okay.
फॉर रिकवरी, ताकि आपकी जो बोन्स हैं उसमें आपको स्ट्रेंथ करे वो. तो ये बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ के लिए काम आता है. देखिए, इफ यू हैव अ कार, आप अपने सारे मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स ले रहे हैं, आपका प्रोटीन, कार्ब्स और बट अगर आप कार में फ्यूल ही नहीं डालोगे तो क्या आपकी कार चलेगी? You look healthy to me.
Right.
But what if 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock you feel कि नहीं, मुझे ब्रेन फॉग होता है, मुझसे खड़ा नहीं हुआ जाता है, मेरा दिल करता है मैं थोड़ी देर बैठ जाऊं. This is the first sign to show that you have low vitamin D3.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
कि जैसे ही सनसेट हुआ उसके बाद you have that sudden शॉक इन द बॉडी कि और आपको लगता है कि मुझे बहुत भूख लगने, नथिंग इज हैपनिंग, यू हैव डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन D3
Okay.
period. वैसे if your all the seeds are intact on everyday basis, no, you will not feel lazy or आपको
Got it.
ऐसे नहीं लगेगा कि मैं बहुत moody हूँ. This all is not going to
Got
happen.
it.
It is a packed form of your micronutrients, period.
Okay. Okay.
It is the
So
fuel.
seeds is good.
It's very good.
Okay.
It is not overrated. Avocado is in
ठीक.
India. कि avocado
Avocado is overrated.
हाँ, लोगों को लगता है कि जो avocado दे सकते हैं वो कुछ और देगा ही नहीं. Tell me one thing which is 300 rupees, right? If not everybody can buy this, right?
Right.
We can do it. Not everybody can do it. So
Right.
eat coconut and get the same, whatever the benefits are given by one avocado, you can get it from coconut also.
Yeah.
See, we get clients from different states. We have clients from US, UK, then you come to Australia, Philippines, and all of that, Dubai. Then in India, we have different section of people, right? Not everybody is fine with the taste of it also. If I
Right.
ask my mom to eat avocado, she'll be like, take it away. I
Right,
don't want to
right,
eat it. It
right.
doesn't hold any taste.
Yeah.
For me, if I make a guacamole or whatever I'll do, I'll eat it.
Yeah. So
When
where do most of your clients come from? You mentioned so many countries and states.
Yeah, mostly, see, 60% of my clients are from India.
Okay.
And mostly, if you go to Bombay, then Delhi, Gurgaon, then South, I have a lot of clients from Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Punjab. Ludhiana is a hub. I get a lot of clients
Hub
from
of fat
Ludhiana.
people?
Hub of people who wants to try. Not,
Okay.
I would not say fat people,
Yeah,
but
yeah, sure,
they're
sorry.
willing to, but
Yeah.
they're willing to try. They don't want to give up on themselves. Matlab,
Yeah.
even in Bombay, I've seen people, they're not willing to give up. In Delhi, I've seen people who are willing to give up on themselves.
Okay.
मतलब क्योंकि peer pressure है ना यहाँ का जो वो बहुत wrong है. अच्छा, आपको शर्म आएगी किसी को यहाँ पे बताने में कि मैं डाइट पे हूँ.
Oh.
लोग शर्माते. I cannot tell. I'm going for a kitty. I cannot tell her कि I'm on a diet. I would say, why?
Yeah.
You're shying away because you're eating healthy. They should be feeling
Shying
shy.
away, yeah.
Why would you? Here, the peer
Yeah.
pressure is something else altogether.
Yeah. Okay. So back to आपके पास एक कस्टमर या पेशेंट क्या बोलते हो आप जो भी वो आया
Client, yes.
client आया and client says boss I'm overweight I want to reduce weight so your what are the steps you said first is you will want to understand कि
Yeah.
lifestyle क्या है आपका डे कैसा जाता है
Correct.
that's the first thing
So that is the first step, and after that, I tell them ki which diet is suitable for them, which can be later
is
on
there a
changed.
common diet like is there like can the audience watch this and say कि अच्छा boss ये मैं अपना मेन्यू बना लेता हूँ ये खाऊंगा दिन में is that possible
एक है.
क्या है
That is called a protein diet.
protein diet
Yes.
okay
Never take your carbs naked. Cover
Okay.
them with protein. For example, if you're making a paratha, more should be paneer and less should be that gluten.
okay
आटा कम होना चाहिए और प्रोटीन ज्यादा होना चाहिए. ये साइज आपका प्रोटीन होना चाहिए और ये साइज आपका कार्ब होना चाहिए. When people talk too much about fiber, you know what is fiber? That's roughage. That's like a broom cleaning. You can pass tool every day. That's all. It is not going to give you anything else. It's not a nutrient.
Okay.
Fiber in itself is only going to clean. It's cleaning your system. But people think आपने हमें डाइट में फाइबर नहीं दिया. उसको अभी सेकेंडरी कर दो आप. If you're going to have your protein every day, your breakfast should have protein and fats. Your lunch should have protein, carbs, and your this fats. And your dinner should have protein and fiber. जब आप सोते हो, body shift. Have you heard about when people are doing IF, intermittent fasting?
Yeah.
They shift into autophagy, right?
Right. Yeah.
So now autophagy is what? It is cleaning your torn cells,
Yeah.
the broken cells. Either they are going to repair it or throw it out of your
Yeah.
system, right? So इसमें जब body autophagy में जाती है तो आपकी cleansing हो रही है, right? तो रात को जब आप खाते हो, because automatically आप fasting में हो, सोते हुए तो कोई खाता नहीं है,
Correct.
वो fasting time है. तो रात को जब आप fiber लेते हो और आपकी body resting में चली जाती है, तो you can poop well in the morning, right? तो fiber should be kept only for night, and morning should be packed with protein and fats. Easy, if I can give you some examples.
Yeah.
For a vegetarian पहले, क्योंकि we have a lot of vegetarians here.
Yes.
देखिए जितनी भी दालें होती है, they're second class protein. First class protein में आता है खाली chicken, eggs and paneer.
Chicken, eggs, paneer, fish.
fish in the morning nobody is going to have.
हाँ,
But that is first class protein. But chicken, eggs, and this
Paneer.
paneer is the first thing that people can eat, right? Chicken
Okay.
sausages khate hain, jaise ki,
Right, right.
frankfurters and cold cuts. And but when it comes about, when we talk about the breakfast, if you're a vegetarian, if you're making a chila, make it a point you have a stuffing.
Okay.
Besan is going to give you a little bit of protein, but not what you require.
Okay.
Right? So you put a lot of paneer with vegetables. Thoda bahut vegetables liya. First thing in the morning should not be a lot of vegetables, not needed.
Right.
So कोई भी चीला बनाओ, आप बनाओ ज्वार का चीला. अभी winters हैं, तो you can actually make that bajra. You can use, and in summers you should use jawar. वो ठंडा रहता है.
Okay.
और बाजरा गर्म होता है body के लिए. तो winters के लिए apt. So
Okay.
you make chila. And besan ka chila, moong dal chila, any dal chila also you can make, and stuffed paneer.
Okay.
ये एक पेटेंट चीज बना लीजिए कि यू हैविंग चीलास स्टफ्ड पनीर के साथ.
Okay.
ठीक है, वन थिंग. और यू कैन हैव सैंडविच विद द ग्लूटेन फ्री ब्रेड्स दैट वी गेट, जो कि ऑथेंटिसिटी आज तक हम समझ नहीं पाए हैं.
Right.
राइट. तो अगर अवॉइड करेंगे तो
तो
इवन
bread
बेटर.
avoidable है best. है ना?
अवॉइडेबल है. कई चीजें अवॉइड की जा सकती. शुगर, आई एम ऑफ शुगर एंड आई फील.
Oh, are you off sugar?
Yeah, of course,
Oh.
I'm off sugar. I take monk fruit, जो Brazilian हमारा एक वो आया है आजकल, उससे extracted होती है. तो it's a very safe option for
Brazilian क्या
diabetes. This is a fruit which is called monk fruit.
Okay.
Right? वो monk fruit को sugar में turn किया हुआ है.
Okay.
So वो sugar अगर आप लेते हो, तो it's a substitute. How we have stevia.
Right.
Stevia is also safe. You know?
Right.
People are very unaware about stevia. They have less knowledge, which is
Yeah,
okay. उनको
yeah.
लगता है stevia is poor. No, plant है वो. आप उसका plant ही घर पे लगा लो. उसका पत्ता तोड़ो और वही चाय में डाल दो. You know,
Right,
that's also
right,
good.
right.
But monk fruit is also one good substitute. Right? Okay, coming back to, अगर आपने प्रोटीन ये ले लिया मॉर्निंग में, एक तो 3-4 घंटे आपको भूख नहीं लगेगी. यू डोंट रिक्वायर मिड मील्स. व्हेनेवर यू आर हैविंग मिड मील्स, क्या होता है, आपका पेनक्रियाज रिलीज करता है इंसुलिन. जितनी बार आपका स्पाइक होगा उतनी जल्दी आप बनोगे इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंट. ऐसे होती है डायबिटीज. सिंपल. लोगों को लगता है हर थोड़ी देर में हम कुछ खा लेते हैं. दैट्स नॉट अ वेरी ग्रेट थिंग टू डू. You can always give your system, let your system shut down sometimes so that
Right,
your
right.
brain can also work. You know. So first thing हो गई, आपने अपने breakfast ले लिया. उसके बाद lunch में ना, make it a point that if for a vegetarian I'm talking now, आप दाल लो, either चपाती लो और राइस लो. ठीक है. अगर आपको फाइबर इंक्लूड करना है तो आप उसको दाल में ही डाल दो. राइट. आप सारी सब्जियां कट करो. कैरेट है, घिया, टिंडा, तोरी, whatever you want to put, just put it in the dal only, no?
Oh.
Pressure cooker it. Do the good tempering on the top with 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, which is about 15 grams of desi ghee. You do the tempering and eat.
Okay.
सब्जियां आप रखो रात के लिए. वो फाइबर उसी काम के लिए और किसी काम के लिए नहीं है.
अच्छा.
वो आपकी गट लाइनिंग को इरिटेट ही करता है. Because spinach is so good, right? People say fiber, spinach, put in everything. It holds oxalate.
Okay.
Now, what is oxalate? वो आपको, अगर किसी को IBS है, have you heard about irritable bowel syndrome?
No.
लोगों को गैस्ट्रिक हो जाता है बहुत जल्दी, right?
Right.
तो आप मानोगे वो ग्रीन वेजिटेबल से होता है, नीरज.
Oh.
एंड वी आर ब्लेमिंग ऑल द अदर थिंग्स इन द वर्ल्ड, बट वो होता है ग्रीन वेजिटेबल से.
Wow.
कि आपसे वो डाइजेस्ट हो ही नहीं रही हैं. मत दो वेजिटेबल्स. सैलेड्स, पीपल थिंक सैलेड खा के हमारा वेट लॉस बहुत अच्छा होगा. सैलेड से ब्लोटिंग होती है.
Okay.
सो ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप ना सौते करो वेजिटेबल्स को एंड ईट. सैलेड खाओ. आई एम नॉट सेइंग, ऑफ कोर्स खानी ही चाहिए, बट अगर आपको गैस्ट्रिक इश्यूज हैं, या आपकी गट लाइनिंग वीक है, या आपको यू फ्रीक्वेंटली you are somebody who take a lot of you have to drink ENO and this and that in a day, avoid raw vegetables. That's not for
Okay.
you. Not everything is for everybody. You can completely avoid that.
Right. Okay.
And have properly cooked meals. That is going to help you. Cooked meals is sanity. Not
Okay.
just for your stomach. It's healthy for your gut lining.
Got it.
When the food is going from your mouth, it's going in the digestive system, it's going in the large intestine, small intestine, and it is coming out of your system. Have you seen corns? When we eat corn, it is not digested inside the body. It is thrown out of your poop just like that.
Oh.
When you excrete it, it is of no use for your body. Then you next time know, I don't want to eat this food. Our parents used to say, back then when they used to take care of the, our digestive
Yeah.
system also, they digest nahi ho raha, ye khana chhod do. Right thing to do. Now what people are doing, no, कोई किसी का भी chart use कर लेता है. They don't want to spend money. That's what I've learned. You want to buy a dress which is 10,000 rupees, not looking good on your body, but you don't want to spend that 10,000 rupees on with a nutritionist and look amazing and wear a 500 rupees dress and you look fabulous. Tell me, why would you not do it?
Right.
I always say, if you have a physician, like सबके होते हैं, right? कि there's a doctor to every family. ये हमारे physician है. Every family should have one dietitian. Every family. I to get amazing families. 5 people from the same family, they're my clients. I have couple as
Okay.
clients. I have mother and daughter as client. I have a lot of this, thing where the whole family is my client.
Right. So going back to that
Yeah.
original question, if somebody comes to you with the problem saying, I want to lose weight, I want to become fitter, the first thing is you'll understand their lifestyle. Second thing you're saying is largely a protein diet.
Protein diet.
Don't take carbs naked.
Not at all.
Cover them with protein. So अगर
Cover them.
पनीर पराठा है तो पनीर ज्यादा डालो.
Yes.
और अगर आलू पराठा है
तो वो नहीं खा सकते.
तो खाओ ही मत.
देखो, आप अपने आप को
कभी
ट्रीट
कभी खा
करो.
लो.
हाँ, आप ट्रीट करो. आप बोलो कि मैं 20 days नहीं करूंगा ऐसे सब. एक दिन मैं अपने आप को दूंगा whatever I want to
The
eat.
concept that I've heard is a cheat meal. कि
Yeah.
आज मेरा cheat day है, आज मैं cheat meal ले रहा हूँ.
Yes.
तो आपने पूरा हफ्ता तो ठीक है प्रोटीन खाया, सब खाया. एक दिन आपने दबा के बर्गर भी खा लिया, आलू पराठा भी खा लिया, सब कुछ खा लिया.
ये
तो is it okay or
Yeah.
is it not okay?
See, ये उनके लिए जो already reach कर चुके हैं उस point पे where they're fit.
Okay.
It is not for somebody who is in the journey. Where I always say focus.
Right.
When you're losing weight, no, don't look here and there and do it for as long as you have to do it for. You cannot just आप दूसरे की बॉडी को कंपेयर करके ये नहीं कि वो चीट कर रही है वीकली वंस तो आप भी करोगे. शी इज रीच टू द पॉइंट. शी हैव डन द ऑल दैट हार्ड वर्क. शी इज पुट एवरीथिंग आउट देयर. देन she can reward herself.
Got it.
Right?
Got it.
It is not for everybody. 80-20 rule that you're talking about. This is called 80-20 rule.
Okay.
This is for largely for people who have reached to the point where 1-2 किलो ऊपर नीचे होगा तो चलेगा. It is not for somebody
So
who's
that's what I think sometimes. कि मतलब आपने पूरा हफ्ता तो इतनी एफर्ट करी. आज आप मैकडॉनल्ड्स का बर्गर भी खा रहे हो, पराठा भी खा रहे हो, रसमलाई भी खा रहे हो.
हाँ.
तो मतलब वो क्या फायदा
ये
हुआ
वही पे
उसका?
पॉइंट पे आते हैं हम वापस नीरज जहाँ पे you don't have a healthy relationship with food. Now, if somebody will ask me कि eat this, that and do all that, you can bring 10,000 things. सारी मेरी favorite. I will not pick it if I don't want to. That's called healthy relationship with food.
Okay.
I will not pick anything until and unless I feel I need to do it on a certain day. For me, nobody can make me cheat. Wherever I am, and nobody can stop me if I want to cheat. Then everybody will eat healthy, and that day for me cheating means what? Dal khichdi, rajma rice and aloo ka paratha, not deep fried stuff ki chalo chole bhature samose kha liye. No. I respect my
But I
body.
mean, on one side we are saying कि थोड़ा सा घी या ऑयल कॉफी में अच्छा है. On the other side छोले भटूरे में भी तो मतलब ऑयल ही है ना, है तो
Wow,
फैट
very
ही ना.
good question. Okay.
I think about that because I love छोले भटूरे.
Even I do.
खा लो यार, मतलब आजकल तो कह रहे हैं फैट खाओ. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? खाओ फैट.
वो कड़ा. ओके चलो नीचे जिस बात करते हैं साइज के साथ है ना. ये कढ़ाई का साइज है जिसमें आपका नहीं हम सबका भटूरा बन रहा है. वो कब से उसको बॉइलिंग पे वो रखा हुआ है. आप समझ सकते हो एक ही चीज को, एक ऑयल को, और जो ऑयल यूज कर रहे हैं उसको एक सर्टेन हीट पे उसको रखा हुआ है फॉर सो मेनी आवर्स जिसमें इतने भटूरे बन रहे हैं. हम ये बोलते हैं हमेशा कि एक होते हैं जैसे सैचुरेटेड फैट्स, राइट, देन अनसैचुरेटेड फैट्स. लेट्स लेमैन के लिए बात करते हैं. सैचुरेटेड जो सॉलिड फॉर्म में टर्न हो जाते हैं, राइट, जैसे कि घी. उसको अगर रूम टेम्परेचर पे रखेंगे तो वो सर्दियों में जम जाएगा, राइट. और अगर हम ऑलिव ऑयल को रखेंगे तो वो नहीं जमेगा, मतलब वो अनसैचुरेटेड है. अब अनसैचुरेटेड में भी पॉली और मोनो अनसैचुरेटेड फैट्स होते हैं. अब इसमें से हमने ये जो बात की आपने रिफाइंड ऑयल में जो वो बन रहा है, डू यू नो द काइंड ऑफ डैमेज इट इज डूइंग टू योर बॉडी. नाउ व्हेन यू से हाउ पीपल बिकम फैट, दे बिकम फैट लाइक दिस. the fats that they're going to use. That's what I said, right? Fats are very highly mistaken in this country. They think when ketogenic diet is there, they can eat whatever, cheese, cream, and butter, and all of that. That's not fats. I'm sorry,
Okay.
that's not how you eat fats.
Got it.
Your chicken
got it,
has fats. Your paneer has fats.
Got it.
I would rather eat a meal than just gulping onto cream, butter, and cheese.
Right. Okay.
Processed है वो सब कुछ.
Okay. So you're saying quality of fat.
Is
It
important.
is not just fat.
Yeah, quantity and quality of
Quality
fat.
and quantity. So
Both.
that's why you said coffee में वो 15 grams है,
That's it.
80 grams नहीं है,
नहीं.
है ना?
I
And that is also ghee and
ghee,
good
coconut
quality ghee.
oil you can use. That's it. You cannot go for
तो जो
oil.
भटूरा बन रहा है
वो तो आपका बन रहा है
हल्दीराम पे वो बिकॉज वो एक तो ऑयल है, घी नहीं है,
हाँ.
ऑयल भी शायद पुअर क्वालिटी का है, उसके बाद उसको
मैं कहती
पकाते
हूँ
जा रहे
अच्छी
हैं, पकाते
क्वालिटी
जा
का,
रहे
ये
हैं.
अच्छी क्वालिटी का भी ऑयल तो ऑयल ही है ना.
ओके.
ऑयल जो एक सर्टेन टेम्परेचर पे पक रहा है और वो पक ही रहा है. आप सोचो वो टॉक्सिक हो गया ना. हमारी बॉडी में भी अगर न्यूट्रिएंट्स को हम बहुत ज़्यादा डाल देते हैं, एक एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड है, विटामिन सी, विच कैन बी थ्रोन आउट ऑफ द बॉडी वाया यूरिन. दैट्स ऑल. ऑल द अदर न्यूट्रिएंट्स, माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स स्टेज इनसाइड योर बॉडी एंड दे बिकम टॉक्सिक. तो वही है ना, बॉडी के अंदर भी जो चीज़ हो रही है वही बाहर है. अगर कोई भी चीज़ को ओवर करेंगे तो वो टॉक्सिक ही है ना. तो हाउ कैन यू पुट दैट इनसाइड योर बॉडी? I am saying you make a puri at home and eat, no? That's okay.
That is better.
Yeah, that is better. You make it in olive oil. वैसे इतनी cooking के लिए नहीं होता है. If you want to do it in desi ghee or put it in air fryer, आजकल तो पूरी भी बन जाती है. If you still want to do it, you eat one puri out of this thing, no? देसी घी में, और आप वो खा लो. That's okay.
अच्छा, पूरी एयर फ्रायर में बन जाती है?
बनाते हैं आजकल, इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत ही वायरल है.
Okay,
You should
okay.
see it. What they do, they put it in hot boiling water. आपने पूरी बनाई, उसको गर्म पानी में डाल देते हैं, उसको फिर बाहर निकालते हैं, एयर फ्राई में रखते हैं, वो फूल जाती है. I tried that too.
I will try. Okay.
But it's not that.
नहीं बनी.
I would rather have a puri instead.
Okay.
You know, sometimes if you want to do
Right,
it.
right. The other thing that I keep thinking, and this is my own personal question, is कि घर में ऑयल लाना बंद कर दो.
हाँ.
सिर्फ घी खाते हैं.
ये मेरे
और
घर
butter
का है
खाते हैं.
कॉन्सेप्ट.
अच्छा, आप करते हो?
मेरे घर में घी, आपको
तो अगर
नॉर्मल
आप सिर्फ
ऑयल,
घी खाओ तो बेटर है,
या
है ना? ऑयल बंद ही कर दो.
देखो, ऑलिव ऑयल मैं ड्रेसिंग के लिए यूज करती हूँ और लाइट कुकिंग के लिए, बिकॉज आई मेक माई फूड वेरी क्विकली. आई डोंट ओवरडू माई कुक कि खाने में से घी ऊपर आएगा, तैरेगा तो ही वो खाना बना है. नो, माई कुकिंग इज वेरी क्विक. माई ईटिंग आई टेक टाइम.
Okay.
I sit down, I chew well and eat.
तो अगर घर में ऑयल बंद कर दूं, सिर्फ
Yes.
घी लाऊं तो ठीक है.
That's fine.
Which ghee? Is there some ghee which is
A2
better?
ghee.
A2 ghee?
You know what that is?
नहीं.
Grass fed. जैसे
Grass
काऊ
fed
को,
ghee?
हाँ, काऊ क्या खाती थी पहले? जैसे उसको छोड़ देते हैं, गेज करती है और वो घास खा रही है, ग्रीन घास, राइट? तो जब वो जिस क्वालिटी का दूध देगी, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी बेटर, बिकॉज ये बिल्कुल ही नेचुरली करेक्ट है कि वो गेज कर रही है और वो आ रही है और खा रही है, एंड दैट्स इट डन. तो वो A2 घी उससे निकलता है जो ग्रास फेड होता है. मतलब
A2 is a quality of ghee or a
Yes.
brand of ghee?
No, A2 is a quality of ghee.
Quality of ghee.
That is called grass fed ghee.
Okay.
ठीक है. ग्रास फेड घी खाएंगे अगर हम, तो दैट विल गिव यू मोर ऑफ omega-3, that holds more of nutrition. That is the purest form of ghee that we are getting, because they are not forced to give milk. The moment you force the cow to give milk,
Okay.
injectables are there. If she is injected, you are also injected then.
So A2 ghee you are saying is good.
It's
पर
good.
आजकल इतना मतलब पता नहीं अब क्या ठीक है क्या नहीं है.
देखिए, वो ठीक इसलिए होता है कि बिकॉज इट इज एक्सपेंसिव. हर कोई उसमें हाथ नहीं डालता है. अमूल एंड गोवर्धन एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ इज देयर, राइट? दे मेक घी. आप उनके उस पे देखोगे ही नहीं, A2 घी ऐसा लिखा ही नहीं होगा, लिखा ही नहीं होता.
Okay.
If they are selling normal ghee, it is normal ghee which is hardly 40 to 50% of ghee.
Okay.
जिस इसमें nutrients चाहिए होते हैं वो उतने ही होते हैं. लेकिन A2 घी जो लोग बना रहे हैं ना, who I have seen personally, people who connect with us, they're
Okay.
enthusiastic about that
Okay.
ghee. I've seen
Okay.
young 21, 25-year-old guy calling me and telling me कि मेरे डैड का फार्म है हरियाणा में, वहाँ मैंने काउज रखी हुई हैं और हम जाते हैं और ये करते हैं, और फिर ये पूरा प्रोसेस हमारे साथ होता है.
Okay.
हम देख के कर रहे हैं, because this
Okay.
is like 20 to 100 rupees kg. Not everybody can buy that.
मतलब just because it is more expensive doesn't mean it is good.
I'm not saying that. What I know about few brands is people are aware. Always
Okay.
take it from a smaller brand, I would say.
Okay.
Never go for big brands
Is
and
it?
buy A2 ghee.
Okay.
if you know somebody who's doing it from a गांव, I knew somebody from Gujarat, some गांधीनगर में कोई गांव से, he used to send me ghee, purest form. आप उसको खोलेंगे और वो खुशबू से आप बता सकते हैं ये घी है.
Okay.
So आप छोटी जगह से या लेस नोन ब्रांड से अगर आप घी लेते हैं ना, वो
Right.
डूइंग लेस ऑफ मार्केटिंग.
You know, I'll be honest, इतना डर लगता है आजकल. अभी रिसेंटली कोई एग्स की ब्रांड का आया कि बड़ी पॉपुलर ब्रांड है और उसमें एंटीबायोटिक्स हैं, so which is cancerous.
Yes.
And it's a really popular some brand. I mean, I don't know, but I was reading somewhere recently. So it's very scary कि किस चीज में एंटीबायोटिक्स हैं, किस चीज में वो जो घी में खुशबू है वो किसी ने खुशबू डाल दी है उसमें.
I can
So
understand
it's
what
very
you're saying.
scary, but ठीक है, your point is valid
But
that
this
A2
is
घी लो
yeah.
और अगर
और
किसी को
ऑलिव
जानते
ऑयल
हो.
रखो घर पे. वन एक
अच्छा,
ऑलिव
olive oil
ऑयल
is good.
ड्रेसिंग के लिए इज गुड. You
Okay.
can do that. Ghee is good for cooking. The people who like cooking in coconut oil also, I would encourage that as well.
But even the big brands ghee is better than the big brands oil. Is that fair?
Big brands ghee.
Is better than a big brand's
Yes.
oil. Oil
yes.
तो मतलब बिल्कुल ही killer है ना.
100%. 100%. घी तो घी है ना eventually.
So आज की डेट में तो most घरों में ऑयल ही आ रहा है ना. मोस्टली खाने में ऑयल ही
और
यूज हो
इन
रहा है.
सबको फैटी लीवर है.
हाँ,
ठीक
हाँ,
है.
हाँ.
उन सबको पैल्पिटेशंस होती हैं. मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ अगर आपने वो जैसे बॉम्बे का कल्चर है, महाराष्ट्र में बहुत ही ज़्यादा और गुजरात में बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर होता है पीनट ऑयल.
Okay.
हाँ, हाँ वो पीनट ऑयल में खाना बनाते हैं. सबसे ज़्यादा गैस्ट्रिक बॉडी टाइप वहाँ पे है.
Okay.
ठीक है. कोस्टल एरिया एक तो
हाँ,
कोस्टल
हाँ.
एरिया यू आर इनहेलिंग व्हाटएवर यू आर इनहेलिंग ऑल द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर आल्सो गोइंग इनसाइड यू राइट.
हम्म,
मॉइस्चर है बॉडी के अंदर वैसे ही बहुत ज़्यादा. उसके ऊपर से सारा ये ऑयल है. द मोमेंट दे स्टॉप इट ये गैस्ट्रिक इश्यूज वहाँ पे कोस्टल एरिया में बंद हो जाते हैं. इफ यू गो टू डाउन साउथ people are eating their food in coconut oil, they do
Correct.
not have gastric issues.
Okay.
But if you go to I'm talking about the belt of Gujarat and Maharashtra, people
Yeah.
have a lot of gastric issues. Here, if you're eating chola bhatura, you will not have issues because of the weather. So the food also changes according to the place,
Right.
according to the weather.
Right. Right.
अगर कहीं पैडी फील्ड्स है ज़्यादा तो वहाँ राइस लोगों को डाइजेस्ट होता है इसलिए पैडी फील्ड है वहाँ पे. वहाँ का हवा पानी ऐसा है कि वो आपको डाइजेस्ट होगा. अगर
Fair.
कहीं वीट है बहुत ज़्यादा तो इसका मतलब वहाँ का यू नो द
हवा
वेदर
पानी वैसा ही
विल
है.
यस तो आपको वो डाइजेस्ट होगा. आप जाइए अमृतसर और वहाँ खाइए ये नान नहीं वो अमृतसरी नान. आपको इशू नहीं होगा. और वही आप खाइए साउथ में जाके यू कैन नॉट इवन डाइजेस्ट दैट बिकॉज द वाटर सपोर्ट्स इट, द वेदर सपोर्ट्स इट. So with the region,
Got it,
the
got
food also changes.
Got it. Okay.
That also
Okay.
works.
So again, largely my goal and what I'm trying to do is get some principles from you and get some learning
Yes,
from you
please.
for the audience and myself. So एक तो ये है आपने बोला कि oil is a problem.
Oil is a big issue.
तो oil को replace करके घी ले आओ.
Correct.
What about butter?
Butter is also good.
Butter is
See, it
okay,
is
ना?
processed. अगर white butter कोई आपके घर पे निकालता है तो nothing like it. अगर नहीं होता अगर बाहर से भी आपको बटर मिलता है butter is also good. It's
Okay.
better than the seed oil that we are having.
ठीक है. So oil की जगह घी, butter.
Yes.
दूसरा आपने बोला that protein instead of carb.
Correct.
Now carb is largely bread, rice,
Roti. Yes.
maida and those kind of things.
That
Am
is
I right?
carbs. That turns into sugar.
हाँ.
वो शुगर है.
हाँ.
आप अगर बोलते हो कि नहीं मैंने शुगर बंद कर दिया फ्रॉम past 1 year I'm not having sugar
Right.
and you're eating all of this, you're having sugar.
You are still having sugar.
That's it.
हाँ हाँ. तो
So-
लोग कहते हैं मैं चाय में नहीं लूंगा पर उसके बाद
बिस्किट खा लूंगा दो
ब्रेड खा रहा हूँ,
डाइजेस्टिव
बिस्किट
की,
खा रहा हूँ.
वो शुगर ही है.
हाँ हाँ.
Right? So we have to eliminate, we cannot eliminate carbs. You keep make a rule कि अगर एक प्लेट में
हाँ.
ज्यादा प्रोटीन होगा 2 handful should be protein, 1 handful should be your carbs
Okay.
and 1 tablespoon of fat should be there.
Okay. तो 2 handfuls of protein मतलब आप सोच
About
लो.
120 to 50 grams मैं ये बोलना चाह रही हूँ.
So 2x और या अगर बोले 100
Yes.
को तो 40% is protein
Yes.
and that protein can be chicken, fish, egg, paneer, these kind of things.
Correct.
Another 40% you said is carb.
30% should be your carbs and 30% should be your fats. Fats आपके tempering में
So
30%.
why is carb essential? Can you completely remove carb?
I don't like carbs personally. I cannot process when I eat carbs. My body works only on ketones. My body is not working on glucose at all, and I don't want to work on glucose, but because that gives me 4 kilocalorie of energy per gram, and my fats are giving me 9 kilocalorie of energy per gram. I can work for longer period of hours. I'm more active. I can do
No, so
more
are
of
you saying
things.
that body doesn't need carbs,
Not at all.
or the carbs that you're getting from dal and everything else is enough?
Not the dals also. The carbs from your vegetables are more than enough.
Okay.
See,
बिकॉज आप प्रोटीन भी ले रहे हो तो 100% प्रोटीन तो नहीं है, थोड़ा तो उसमें कार्ब वाब है.
थोड़ा बहुत
है ना?
कार्ब होते हैं. जैसे चिकन में बात करें, देयर इज नो
हाँ.
कार्ब. फॉर एग्जांपल एक एग का एग्जांपल
बट
लेते
दाल
हैं.
में है,
या
एग में है.
दाल इज नॉट प्रोटीन, नो.
नहीं, पर दाल
It's
को तो
minimum.
वेजिटेरियंस तो प्रोटीन ही बोलते हैं ना.
बिकॉज उनके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है,
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
इसलिए. लेकिन दाल में इतना प्रोटीन है नहीं.
दाल, चना, राजमा, इस सब में सारा
It
वेजिटेरियन
holds
तो प्रोटीन
protein.
की तरह ही खाता है ना उसको.
It holds protein, but not the first class of protein we require. If you're a vegetarian, make it a point that you are consuming paneer on daily basis in any form. सैलेड में उसको कट करके डाल दो, या आप उसको ग्रेट करके आपकी चपाती में डाल दो, या उसकी
Right,
सब्जी
right,
खा लो.
right, okay.
दिन में 50 to 80 grams प्रोटीन अगर आप लेते हैं पनीर, it's sufficient.
Okay,
And then you do your dals and whatever you are eating.
okay,
Yeah, that's fine.
okay. So you're saying you reduce your carbs significantly.
Yes,
If you're willing to completely eliminate, that's fine.
that's fine if you want to do weight loss. If not, keep your carbs
थोड़ा बहुत कार्ब लेते
रखो.
रहो.
Yes.
तो एक मील में कितनी रोटी खानी चाहिए?
एक मील में एक्चुअली एक रोटी
एक रोटी काफी है.
काफी है अगर आप उसको तरीके से
मैं
लेंगे
दो
तो.
खाता हूँ अभी. ओके.
नहीं, it's okay because you're fine, so you can still do it. If somebody wants to lose weight, then maybe one chapati is more than enough, and two katori of dal, not
Okay.
one. पहले आप एक कटोरी दाल रूखी खाइए, ताकि आपने प्रोटीन का बेस, जो भी कार्ब एंड प्रोटीन वो दे रहा है, उसका बेस should be intact. You have little bit of salad also, raw salad if you want to have. So you're giving, supporting the fiber. ठीक है?
Okay.
And then you have one chapati with another bowl of dal. Tell me after that you will feel so much of satiety the moment you'll do this. We
So,
are eating.
one roti,
Yeah.
2 katories of protein.
Yes.
आप जो भी खा रहे हो, दाल, पनीर, chicken, whatever.
That's all.
हाँ, so one roti, 2 katories of that, some salad.
Yes.
That's okay.
That's okay. And keep your fiber, all the vegetables at night with your protein.
So lunch and dinner can be 2 bowls of some sort of protein
Some sort of protein.
and one roti.
Yes.
Now, if that roti is not roti but rice, is that okay?
That's fine. No food is bad.
Mm-hmm.
You have to combine it in
Bread?
the right way. See, you're talking about the breads that we are getting from outside.
हाँ, मतलब जो भी
It's
bread मिलती
okay
है.
sometimes if you're having it with some peanut butter. You know, you can sauce with.
But bread largely avoidable है.
मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है ब्रेड आनी नहीं चाहिए घर
हाँ,
में
same. I
ज्यादातर.
believe bread is a criminal.
It's like slow poison for our body. We don't even realize.
Right,
अच्छा, एक और चीज होती है, इसको बोलते हैं oral fixations.
Okay.
Right? जैसे हम पीनट खाने बैठते हैं तो वो खाते रहते. क्यों? It is coated with salt. So you feel like कुछ हो ही नहीं
हाँ,
रहा.
addictive हो जाते हो आप.
हाँ. So bread के साथ ये मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है. They don't stop.
नहीं, bread is tasty.
Yeah,
आप
they don't
मतलब
stop.
टोस्ट बना के मक्खन लगा के आप खाओ, मजा आ जाता है चाय के साथ.
और आप रुक नहीं सकते हो.
हाँ.
आपको ऐसा लगता है एक और ले लेते हैं, एक और.
हाँ, एक ही तो और है.
हाँ, इससे अच्छा एक मील ही खा लेते हैं ना. जब यही करना है आपको.
पर ब्रेड बहुत खराब है ना.
I don't want bread in my house. I don't like it. I don't have bread in my house. I don't have white sugar in my house. My daughter also, she
And
doesn't
same
eat.
when you're having a burger, तो उसमें जो bun है,
हाँ,
वो
same
सब
thing.
same है.
Gluten. We're talking largely about gluten here. And gluten
Right,
is
right.
nothing but elastic that is going to go inside your body and act up.
तो bread को avoid कर दो, rice या रोटी ले लो.
Yes.
That is one option. What about other kinds of roti? Makki ki roti.
Yeah.
All that is good?
That is very good. If you want to go for makai ki roti, if you want to go for the millet roti, you know, the jawar, ragi, if you want to use, that's also fine. Some people, you can also do one more thing. If you have that gluten you're using at home, that गेहूं का आटा, आप 1 चम्मच गेहूं का आटा, 1 चम्मच रागी का आटा, ओट का आटा, ये सारे आटे को mix कर लो, and the roti turns out to be very nice.
Okay.
And
I'll
you can
try
have that too.
Okay. ठीक है. तो meals में हो गया 2 bowls of some sort of protein.
Yes.
Chicken, fish, paneer, dal, rajma, जो भी vegetarian, non-vegetarian.
Correct.
1 roti. Some ghee.
Yes.
अब वो घी सब्जी के अंदर है या बाहर है, doesn't matter.
नहीं, आप डालो ना, tempering करो. You make your meal tasty.
And some salad.
Yes.
Papad. Okay.
Not needed.
पर खा लिया तो ठीक है.
हाँ, खा लिया तो it's fine, but don't make it a habit.
Okay.
आप कम मतलब आपको ये श्योर करना है कि आप है ना कोई भी साइड्स नहीं ले रहे बहुत ज़्यादा। साइड्स लेनी है तो आप उसके साथ ना सैलेड में
पर
छोटा
मजा तो आता है ना, पापड़ वापड़ हो तो।
ऑफ कोर्स मज़ा तो हर चीज़ में आता है, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा पता है किसमें आता है?
हाँ,
एक हेल्दी बॉडी में।
वो भी ठीक है।
लेथार्जी क्रिएट करती है ये चीज़ें
देखो
बस।
कई बार बिकॉज आई एम सच अ फिटनेस फ्रीक, आई स्पीक टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल रीच आउट टू मी एंड से मैं क्या करूं, तो मैं उनको ज्ञान भी दे देता हूँ।
हुँ,
तो बोलते हैं यार ये भी बंद, तो फिर मतलब जीना किस लिए है?
बिल्कुल
मजा
सही
ही नहीं है जिंदगी में।
बिल्कुल सही बात है। जो लोग फूडी हैं उनको लगता है ऐसा।
राइट।
I'm not saying papad is bad. What I'm trying to tell you is keep your meals clean. Keep your meals clean. Don't be ये क्या कर रहे हो ना आप अपने खाने के अंदर एक क्रंच लाने की ट्राई कर रहे हो.
हाँ,
Now that's not a healthy relationship with food again.
हाँ,
What you are trying to do is you're trying to divert your brain. कि that crunchy thing is going to give you that comfort. That's only that
avoid it.
crunchiness.
Okay,
That's all.
okay. ठीक है, पापड़ भी कम कर देंगे। Okay. Now this is about lunch and dinner. What about breakfast? So breakfast में you said paneer, egg,
Chilas.
Chilas.
Stuffed with paneer, protein.
So vegetarians के लिए is paneer and chila.
Correct.
Non-veg के लिए is egg
Eggs.
or sausages.
Sausages and see that is also processed again, right?
Bread? No.
No, bread is a big no. First thing in
Cornflakes?
the morning.
Cereal?
Oh my god, that's a joke.
Right, I agree. Okay.
First of all, milk. लैक्टोस ले रहे हैं मॉर्निंग
हाँ,
में,
हाँ, हाँ,
ठीक है? उसको जिसको आप हमेशा सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हो या तो ओट मिल्क से,
हाँ।
ठीक है, या आमंड मिल्क से या
मिल्क
कोकोनट
भी
मिल्क
बहुत
से।
अच्छा नहीं है ना।
देखो जिस चीज को अगर आप कोई भी एक एनिमल को तंग करके उसमें से एक्सट्रैक्शन कर रहे हो ऑन एवरी डे बेसिस, दैट पुअर काउ स्टैंडिंग देयर एंड गिविंग मिल्क टू यू इंस्टेड ऑफ द काफ, दैट डजंट बिलोंग टू यू। और उसकी कैपेसिटी होती है एक दिन में कितने लीटर मिल्क देने की। द काइंड ऑफ इंजेक्टेबल्स आर देयर, इफ वंस वी गो देयर एंड वी सी इट, नो, everybody will stop having milk. I'm telling you.
Okay.
So it's
Okay.
not a very great thing to do that have और बहुत से लोग आजकल इंटॉलरेंट भी हो गए हैं. If you can avoid milk, that's lovely. Have almond milk, coconut milk, make it at home. Soak almonds,
So being
20.
vegan is good because वो भी एक नया
Yeah.
trend है।
Veganism is what? It's empathy towards the animals. ये बात यहाँ तक थी, लेकिन लोगों ने इसको बहुत आगे तक ले गए. I don't believe in veganism, you know. But if somebody is coming to me and they want a diet, I always tell them, I will give you a vegetarian diet, but don't go for a vegan diet. How lean they look, you know, what they have in their body, muscle loss.
Okay.
They're not losing fat, they're losing their muscle. Anytime you feel somebody is a vegan,
Right.
you just check out their shoulders, just ask them, completely tell them, it will be droopy. That's what I've seen largely.
Right.
The muscle comes down, they look old, older than whatever the age is, because they have muscle loss. If your body is not using glucose and you are not on ketones, your body is going to use your muscle mass and give you 4 kilocalories of energy for survival. And you are only going to look weak. See, looking anorexic is not healthy. I do
Right,
not
right.
call anybody. If somebody is 70 kgs
Yeah.
and she can do yoga and she can get on an aerial
Yeah.
and perform everything, she's a healthy person for me.
it,
I will not look at her weight
Got it.
if she's able to perform.
Got it.
On a vegan diet, I have not seen people performing anything. They're only giving
Got it.
the gyan out there that this is great. I'm saying being a vegetarian, it's okay. If you don't want to
ठीक है।
kill animals, don't want to eat, it's fine. It's your personal choice.
ठीक है, ठीक है।
But veganism is, I don't believe in
ठीक
it.
है, ठीक है। So I've got the core principles जो मेरा गोल था इस पॉडकास्ट में आपसे निकालने का, कि लंच डिनर में क्या खा सकता है इंसान, तो वो समझ में आ गया। ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खा सकता है, समझ में आ गया। एंड द अदर लर्निंग दैट यू हैव गिवन इज कि शुगर को बिल्कुल ही कम कर दो या बंद कर दो। एम आई राइट विद दैट
That is
आल्सो?
correct.
एडेड शुगर, कार्बोहाइड्रेट शुगर, उसको लार्जली आप
You will not
निकाल
have
दो।
fatty liver, you will not have kidney stones, you will not have a prominent acne coming if it's a female body, you will not have PCOS.
अच्छा,
If you will stop sugar, you will not have any of these issues.
ओके,
You will not gain weight.
ओके, एंड बॉडी एंजाइटी विल
Yes,
गो अवे,
that's correct.
राइट? गुड,
Because आपने कभी देखा है बचपन में बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि इनको मत दो इतनी चॉकलेट, इसको शुगर रश हो रहा है.
हाँ, 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 हाँ,
वो फिर बड़े बॉडी तो वही है ना. शुगर रश हमें भी होता है.
राइट,
Right?
right,
The moment we'll start having sugar, we have anxiety inside the body.
right,
The body is not willing, the cortisol goes so high that you are not able to perform well. And sometimes I've seen people who take a lot of tea throughout the day, 8 to 9, and they're sitting at a shop, they will shout more. You know why? Because जब आपका cortisol increase हो जाता है ना, तो आप छोटी छोटी बातों पे भी irritate हो जाते हो.
Okay.
हाँ, so a sugar can do that to you as well.
Got it. Got
So
it.
if you eliminate sugar, sugar is not giving you anything. It's
Right.
only taking away your
Right.
life. It's taking away your ears.
Right. Got
So
it.
if you stop
Got it.
that, it's not
Understood.
going to harm you.
Understood. Great. So I've got the learnings. The last learning that I've got is that while these things are common and almost everybody can use them, protein ज़्यादा खाओ, carbohydrate कम खाओ, थोड़ा सा fat अच्छा good quality fat खाओ, sugar बंद कर दो. But every body is different,
Yes.
and hence every family should have a dietitian or nutritionist.
This I always say. And जिस दिन ये start हो गया ना concept इंडिया में कि every family has one nutritionist, we all are going to be healthy.
Right. So stop trying to become a nutritionist,
Yeah.
but go to a nutritionist.
Just simply go to them. That's their work.
My last question is, how do people reach out to you? People who are watching this, if they want to reach out to you or somebody wants to reach out to you,
Yes,
how do
yes.
people reach out to you?
You can follow me on Instagram. I'm there with the name called Ketogenic with Neha.
Ketogenic with Neha.
Yes,
Okay.
with double H. And then I have a website which is www.ketogenicwithneha.com.
Okay.
Through that. And also then if you can put my number here,
Yes,
and
yes.
anytime, whenever you feel like, just get in touch with me. I would love to help people.
Okay.
And also, I would like to add here that, while talking to you, I could explore, that even if you have knowledge about each and everything when it comes to nutrition, you very rightly said just now that don't try to become one.
Right.
This is where we are lacking.
Right.
So, this is a very good thing that you've said, where सबको सबका काम करने देना चाहिए और
Right,
सबसे अच्छे से काम निकलवाना चाहिए with a nutritionist
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
Make the most out of it.
Yeah.
Yes.